Hi, I'm Lauren Egan. I'm an interior decorator based in the inner north of Melbourne. Come on in. I think people hesitate with colour in their home because they're thinking about who might buy my home in the future or what all my friends think about this colour, when really you should just be making a personal choice that feels good for you. The best way to start experimenting with colour is to maybe start with a kid's bedroom or a small room and try and experiment and have fun and find a colour that you love, and then really sort of get your confidence and expand that to the rest of the home. Once I've selected all of the hard materials, then I'm starting to pull together a palette of colours, and don't get too hung up over whether or not you've chosen the perfect colour sort of halfway through. Paint colours are nuanced and you can sort of move and change from a lighter to a darker tone really easily. So paint comes after hard materials and then soft furnishings build on top of that. A small change for a big impact is to introduce some fabrics into the space, and it doesn't have to be a wild, adventurous colour. It could just be a beautiful flax or a warm blush kind of tone that just adds impact into the space. The one thing that I wish everyone knew about colour is that it's not hard to change, and so be bold and be brave and choose something that makes you feel good. And if you want to change it later on, it's easy.